Do you like to bake your own poppy seed muffins and everything bagels? I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd. Today I want to show you how to grow your very own poppy seeds that you can use in your kitchen for baking anytime you want. It may come as a surprise to you that it is completely legal to grow poppies in your garden. And there are so many types of poppies out there that are ornamental and beautiful, but then there are also things called breadseed poppies. And they have bigger seeds that you can use in your garden. Poppies are beautiful. We love to scatter the seeds all around the garden, and they come up every rainy season, and then they go from looking like this to looking like this to finally looking like this. And if you can stand it looking a little ugly for a little while, you can get hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of poppy seeds for free. Let me show you how this is done. Poppies make these beautiful bulbous seed heads that have holes right around the top. And that is where the seeds come out. They're all stored inside. You want to wait for them to turn brown like this, and then when you hit them, you're going to hear a little rattle sound. Oh, I'm getting seeds all over me. And then all you have to do is take your shears, cut off the seed head, and if the seeds don't want to come out really easily, just wait a little longer and those holes will open up more. Or you can crack it open and pour them out that way. You can snip multiple heads at a time. Take these, put them upside down in a paper bag and shake, shake, shake. You may need to sift out some of the chaff through a fine mesh sieve, and then everything will be cleaner, much cleaner. Once you've harvested your seeds, put them in a mason jar with a tight-fitting lid and put them in your freezer for 3 days. That will kill off any bacteria, molds, critters, whatever. And then when you take them out of the freezer, set the jar on the counter, leave the lid on, and let it come to room temperature over the next day. And then they'll be shelf stable and ready for you to use in baking. Yay! If you want to learn more about growing your own food and stuff to put on it, visit gardenerd.com and check out my book, High Yield Small Space Organic Gardening, and my other books and my online courses. And of course, think about becoming a Patreon subscriber to support all the free stuff we do here at Gardenerd, because Patreon supporters get access to behind the scenes goodies like monthly hangouts with me and behind the scenes videos of what's growing on here at Gardenerd headquarters. Happy gardening.